Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine. Today I'm going to do a product review on Canadian hair products. They're called Adesewa Naturalz. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but hopefully I am. This brand contacted me on Instagram about 2 weeks ago, and they wanted me to review their products. So I've been able to try them, and today I'm going to give you the scoop on like, is it good or is it not? So first of all, the package came in with a letter, and it says, "Thank you for your order. We really do appreciate your business. Our company's focus is to use the best quality, natural and organic ingredients in all our products to aid our customers in achieving and maintaining healthy hair and scalp. We use easily absorbable carrier oils that nourishes, penetrates, strengthens and softens the hair. Some of the carrier oils we use are argan, babasu, avocado, grapeseed, sweet almond, and coconut oil. And they also use herbs such as rosemary, hibiscus, burdock root, hairstyles, sage, and like lavender, and like a whole lot of other ones. They also use a lot of essential oils such as rosemary, sage, tea tree, lavender, peppermint, and lemongrass, and etc, etc. They mention that all their products are cruelty free and are not tested on animals, and they also do not contain any mineral oil, parabens, petroleum, drying alcohol, sulfates, or silicones. So this is really good. This is actually what you want to look for or not look for in a product whenever you're looking for natural hair products for your hair. I was really excited about this. So basically it means that their products are natural and they're going to nourish and moisturize your hair instead of drying them and not being healthy for you. So I received 3 products. Basically, it promotes the curl definition. So first of all, there's the honey and shea twisting and styling souffle. Then there is the sweet almond and honey curl and style smoothie. And there is the smooth and shine hair elixir. I used all 3 products on my hair. I washed them, and then as my hair was soaking wet, that's when I applied the products. I kind of used LCO method. First of all, I used the sweet almond and honey, then I used honey and shea twisting styling souffle, and then I finished it off with the hair elixir. And these products are very light compared to what I'm used to using. I'm used to using heavier creams for my hair. I feel like the products were not heavy enough. I'm pretty sure that it's because my hair is really dry, plus it's 4C, plus it's been colored. Basically, I feel like as I was putting on the products in my hair, I didn't feel like my hair really was able to absorb everything, so I really had to like spend a lot of time working the products through my hair. But I'm pretty sure that this brand will be excellent for somebody with a looser curl pattern, such as 4A or even 4B. But for me, as a 4C, as a coarse 4C, and like colored hair, like I said, and my hair is super dry, and I have like low porosity, or is it high porosity? But my porosity is not really helping with the whole situation. So I feel like I would need to use these products like separately with my other regular products. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get me great results, because even though I used this bundle by itself, I felt like it still looked good. As you can see in the video, my curls were really popping, and you know, I looked bomb and everything. But the problem really was when it came down to the peeling of my hair. I felt like I didn't have enough products in my hair. Like I said, I got great results, and these products smell amazing, especially the oil. This, I'm telling you, it smells like, I don't know, like a perfume or something, but it smells really good. The main ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil and my hair are like frenemies. so sometimes it likes it,
most of the time it doesn't.
I would definitely keep on using this, but for the scalp, but not directly on the strands of my hair. I would rather use something thicker like some castor oil as usual, but this is definitely lighter than what I'm used to using. This company is based in Calgary, Alberta, and you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Adesewa Naturalz. I'm gonna write it down, okay, so that I don't make any mistakes. But it's Adesewa Naturalz, and you can find her on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And she also has a website, and the website is www.adesewanaturalz.com, and you can find other bundles and other hair products, and the shipping is really fast. The owner is called Nadine. She's really nice, super friendly, and I really wish her the best in her business venture. Okay, so right now, if you're wondering what's going on with my hair, I have, like, this is actually the same week that I tried her products, so I still have some of her products left in my hair. Like I said, with my other heavier products, I feel like my hair feels a little bit better, but you know, like, it was still able to give me a lot of curls, and yeah, it's been great. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you are not subscribed, remember to subscribe somewhere. My face is gonna pop like somewhere, so subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give me a few thumbs ups. Bye.